everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. BB's joined me today. She does not like to be touched. Just keep your hands to yourself. I have a diamond painting unboxing to share with you. It's like Christmas. This looks like another one from our small canvas experiment, which is turning out very well, I think. Okay, here's the toolkit, very standard. It's a green boat with a cutout, pink wax, single placer pen, tweezers, and some bags. Everything you need to get started. Oh, this one is so adorable, I thought. It's very simple. It's just 4 feathers. And a little 25 by 20. There are 6, 12, 16, 21 to 23 colors. And a little one like this. Isn't that fantastic? And it arrived in a bubble mailer and wrapped around a foam core. Very, very nice. Oh, okay, so it's a little landscape. Goes this way. Let's peel up the paper and take a look at it. Yeah, I think this is going to lose a little bit of the detail on the feathers, but still, it should come out pretty. But let me put the picture up so you can see. Mainly, I'm looking at that feather on the left. Has a little pattern on it, which I'm sure is lost on this one. But very pretty. I think this will be a real quick one to do. It's not going to look exactly the same as the image, but the colors will all be there, and that's what really attracted me, are the colors. Here's the drills. You can see there's like pink and dark blue and brick red. There's like a ruby red under there. There it is. Bright red. This should be pretty. I keep thinking that, you know, to have a house where you framed and hung up all your diamond paintings, if they're all huge, it's going to be almost overwhelming. I was thinking of like having a little one tucked in a corner next to the TV and one by the front door. And I want them to be different sizes. I think that makes things more interesting. You know, you can't have a whole house filled with Picassos. It would be a little bit overbearing. I want different things that I like tucked in around in the bedroom and the living room. Little here, little there. Nothing major. Oh, BB's caught in a sunbeam. She's sitting by the back door in the sun. She just loves that. It must be a black dog thing, because I think she must get so hot, but she just loves it. She stretches out in the sun. And then I like the way she smells when she comes inside. It's like she soaked up all that sunshine. That's it. Wow, I'm done for the day. I've done a bunch. Thank you so much for joining me. This is so exciting. I can't wait to see how these come out. And you'll be seeing different canvases that I have in my Canvas Conversations. I try to put in the title which one I'm working on in that video. So you'll see there's 5 already that I did on the teacup kitten. Now that's done. So now I'm going to start again, and I'll put the name of the one that I'm doing in that video. So you can follow up on the ones that I'm working on. This is a fairly new thing for me, Canvas Conversations, but people really seem to like it. Just diamond paint along with me and chit chat. You have questions, I can answer them. Hey, if you like my videos, take a second and subscribe. And if you hit that little bell, you will get notified when my new videos come out. So, that's it. You have a great day. Happy diamond painting. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm just trying to get dressed, and there's all this craziness going on. Can't even get a picture of it. Charlie, did she get you?